Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Conchoi's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. So Fit Farm, yes, I decided to join you just for a little bit, okay? Just for a little bit. I am going to go on a little bit of a juice cleanse, and I thought to come along here and share with you. Hopefully this is going to be a motivation for somebody. I love juicing, but it's just something hard to do. So normally when I juice, I just make a batch and I store in the freezer, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you pick something from this and it's helpful to you. Come along and let's do this. So normally when I juice, I try to go the organic route. So everything I try to get organic. So I have here some celery, just one of that. I have 4 cucumbers. I have some golden beets. These give a beautiful yellow color. Regular beets, the red or orange, wine, burgundy, whatever you want to call it. I have some kale, 2 bunches of kale, a pineapple over here. There's one more pineapple here. I have here some fresh ginger root. I love ginger in my juices, so I'm going to add some of that. I have here 2 bags of carrot. So this is just regular carrot. This is a combination of, it's a rainbow kind of carrot, so it has the yellow and the orange. I have a bag of Granny Smith apples. That's the green one that is going to be used in making the green juice. I have some gala or gala, however you want to call it. Normally I will use a Fuji, but I found only the organic for this and I like both, so that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash all my ingredients and then we'll continue. I have some apples here and I'm going to use my fruit and vegetable cleansing spray to clean it. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on here. Let it sit for about a minute and then I'll rub it and rinse it. So I'm just going to try to rub it. This is good to help get rid of all the pesticides and everything. It is actually an organic fruit spray, so it's supposed to be good for organic fruit, but you can of course use it for any kind of fruits and vegetables that you have. So I'll go ahead and rinse these and do the same to everything else, and then I'll see you at the juicing station. Okay. So I don't know if you've seen a golden beet before. I just wanted to show you how it looks. So I like to just cut off the stalk. So this is the color of golden beets, very, very yellow. And I'm going to get them ready to wash them. I'm going to scrub them clean. So here are the regular ones. This is the beet that I guess most of you would know. They stain just like anything. So of course I took off my ring. So please be mindful of your jewelry and your countertop. So I'm going to put some of my vegetable spray on these. I'll trim the carrots after that. I normally actually like to use a peeler to wash my carrots, and I'm going to do that also. So using my vegetable brush, I'm just going to scrub everything. Scrub it very clean as you can get it. I'll set them here and rinse them all later. These are all washed. I'll rinse them one more time with the carrots, but I'm going to set them on the side. I actually like to peel my carrots. I know you think I'm crazy. Why did she use a brush to clean the beets and she's still choosing to peel the carrots? I've always done my carrots that way, and I think I still want to do that. So I'll quickly peel them and then we'll continue. Feel free to scrub it if that's how you want it, but you know, some habits are hard to break. So this carrot is a very funny one. Actually, this is a good one. I don't know, not a good one, but it's of course supposed to be rainbow. I just peeled one before and it was just like this on the outside, but white inside. But this is a yellow one. And I like to do this with the yellow beets to give it more yellow color. This is the other one, very white. Just peeling my pineapple. You know, I like to cut off a lot of the skin. But just look at this micing knife. Do you even see how good it is? I'm going to use the peels to make my tea, so. Just going to cut this up into like 6. Just big wedges like this. You don't need to remove the core on this. This is just going to be good enough. So this one will go with the beets, the red beets. I'm going to put 1 pineapple to each of the beets, and ginger. So just beets, pineapple, ginger. I'll do the same with this other pineapple. Just peel it. They seem to have tricked me a little bit. They look so ripe. And you remember now, with these masks and COVID, of course, you can't smell the pineapple. Normally, when you smell the bottom, this part, and it smells sweet, then you know you have a good one. But with the mask and everything, it's hard to do that. Anyway, I should have told you I washed the pineapples first. So this will also go on the golden beets. So I have my ginger here. I like to juice that first, so it'll be on the top. So the other pineapple is right here with the golden beets and the yellow carrots. So the peels, I don't waste them. I have more of my pineapple tea already in the fridge, so I'm going to put these in a bag and freeze so I can use it another time. Running a whole apple through juicer is not that easy, so I like to just cut them. I don't bother to core them or anything, just cut them so they fit in the blender. You can core it if you want, but this juicer is good enough that it will still strain it. So this is going to be the carrot, apple, ginger. So I'm just trimming the cucumbers just a little bit, and then I'll cut up the apples as well. Just slice them, make it easy to run through the machine. You could remove this stalk. I will have a green juice, but it has to have a little bit of sweetness. I know some people are very good at that. They can have, you know, just kale and maybe cucumber. I need a lot of apples in there. So, of course, this is just a guide. This is no fixed recipe. You can adjust everything to how you want it to be. It's still fresh fruit. No water or sugar is going to be added, so whichever way you have it, it's still better to drink this than any other juice. So everything is all prepped, and right now we are going to start juicing them. So I like to set it here because we are going. It shows you, of course, what you want to do. This is a very old model. I always like to start with the ginger. So this carrot, apple, ginger juice right here is very rich in fiber. Apples, of course, as we all know, are very high in fiber. It will help you move your bowels. That's why we say if somebody has diarrhea, you shouldn't give them apple juice. So this is very good for that purpose. Ginger is high in anti-inflammatory properties. Carrot is good in that same regard. It may help with weight loss. It is also known to be very good for eye health. and that is why the bunny eats carrots. And you know, bunnies or rabbits have very good vision, so you want to be like a bunny, eat your carrots. Carrots will also help with your skin. It will help you glow. That is why keratin, which is highly found in carrots, is used in most skincare products for you to have that glow. So yes, dear ladies, drink your carrot juice, eat your carrots, and boy, you'll be assured of a beautiful skin. Now just look at this, all done already. Just look at the beautiful color. This is pure juice, no water added, and that is why I prefer this to the regular juices, you know, when you use a blender. So I didn't get this all the way full, but this is how much I got. Pure fruit and vegetable. Beautiful color, right? You don't want them to stay in the fridge because then it loses its nutrients. That's what I read. So you want to freeze these and then just bring one out when you need it. Just like that. Throw it out and drink. So good. So what I forgot to tell you, I forgot actually to do, is to put a shopping bag. I put a shopping bag in the receptacle. If you have one, do that. It's easier. When it's full, you just take it out, dump it, and put another bag. Let's make some green juice right now. We all know green juice is like everybody's go-to when you're trying to lose weight, when you're trying to be healthy. This is real fit farm kind of juice. And cucumber, which is in this juice, may help reduce your blood pressure, help with constipation, it helps with your skin, it will make you glow, it may reduce kidney stones, it is rich in vitamin C, and of course the kale in here, which is right now going through the machine. Look at how green it is. You see that? Pure green. It's a green leafy plant, and of course, so it is high in iron, it is rich in vitamin K and C, it is high with antioxidants, and the celery in here may help reduce blood pressure, may slow aging, and is very rich in potent anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, so this juice right here is good for you. Ginger is high in anti-inflammatory properties as well, and of course the apple, very rich in fiber. So you know why now, why everybody loves green juice. Anyway, green juice is done. See how beautiful, how green this is. Absolutely 100% juice. No added sugar, water, extra ingredients. I have a whole lot more, so I'm going to juice more in here and then I'll mix it up. So I have all these greens that I need to juice, so I'll add it. Probably gonna get about 5 of these of the green juice. Pouring some more green. We are going to make the yellow juice, so yellow carrot, pineapple, and ginger. I'll start with the ginger. So this is a very beautiful juice. I just love it for the color, but of course it is very good for you in so many ways. I like to juice a lot, you know, make this a big batch because this machine is very difficult to clean. I know you see some of the green parts in here, but I try to juice in such a sequence that I still get the beautiful colors of every single juice. So I put the lighter colors in first and then the deeper colors the last, as you are seeing me do. So beets in this juice may help with weight loss. It might help, people believe that it is good in helping reduce your blood pressure. It is good for brain health. It is high in anti-inflammatory properties, and so is the pineapple in here. Pineapple is also good for helping with the symptoms of arthritis. It may boost your immunity and may help reduce the risk of cancer. Yes, so this is a good one as well. And look at this beautiful juice. Just look at that. Such beautiful colors, people. You could give me this to pour all day long just to admire the beautiful colors. That will really reduce some stress for me. Like really, so beautiful. Cover. And now we will go ahead and make the very last one. Just look at these. Just look at these. Just look at that. You see, these ones are huge, so I'm just trying to cut them up so they fit through. Not as bad as turmeric. It's gonna go. I can wash it off, but of course you can wear gloves if you want to. I just feel like my hands are already wet, so no point. And actually, if you've tasted a beet before, it's actually sweet. So most people don't like beet juice because they think it's going to be bitter, but mostly beet juice, even without any sweet fruits, it's not too bad. Of course, it has a very earthy smell to it, but otherwise, making these juices bring bittersweet memories of my dad, his last, maybe couple of years here on earth. These are the kinds of meals that we used to give him, juices, soups, the Gerson therapy kind of diet, which really helped him. It helped give him a little bit of comfort, reduce his symptoms. He had cancer. So yes, if you have any loved one or you yourself, you're battling cancer or anything, you could taste that, you could try these, and hopefully it is helpful to you as well. Yes, and a big thank you also goes to my sister, who did a lot of research, looked up so many things that would help my dad. I have said it here, I cannot say it enough. Thanks to all the family members, who come together in times like this to help ease the pain and hardship of loved ones. We need each other to survive, so let's keep forging ahead and helping each other. And now we are all done, just like these. Beautiful, gorgeous colors for my motherland. Just like that. Simple, very, very delicious juices. I have extra. All together, this is the juice we had, minus what we've been drinking as we were making them. And this is the beet juice. So good, so sweet. This is very good. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious or healthy, hopefully, be loving, be kind, be happy. So I normally freeze my juices. I put them here in the freezer just like this. They last up to about a week in here. It is good to freeze your juices right away because they lose their nutritional value when it sits in the fridge. It changes color, and as it changes color, it's losing most of the value as well. So whenever you need one, you just bring one out like I'm doing right now. I'm just going to set it on the countertop. This is how everything else looks. That is the carrot, apple, ginger. That is the golden beets. This is the regular beets we all know. And of course I picked the green juice. So that is going to go on the countertop, and it should dissolve in about an hour to an hour and a half. You could also just store it overnight in the fridge, and next morning when you're ready to drink it, it will be perfect for you. Just look at this beautiful color. You just shake it, open it, drink it, and enjoy. This is just like we just made it. Try this, you will love it.